bunny egg. You see it? Oh man. What else you got?
Photo here.
Now, Nana, Mommy and Nana, get another box. You ain't got enough room. That Easter Bunny left you tons of eggs today.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I'll help you carry it. What about over here? Did he leave you one in your baby tree? Did he leave you one in your baby tree bucket?
Yeah.
Well, go get it. Whoa! Right there, right here in your baby tree.
The baby tree, look.
Look, in your baby tree bucket.
See it?
Good job.
Just walk down
I
here.
think there's some more.
Just walk down here. Come on.
I think
Come
you
with
got more.
Papa.
Here, let me help you carry them, okay? I'll carry these ones. Let's take, go get some more, okay? I'll hold these ones. You go this way.
Let's see what we got. Whoa, look at that. Man.
What's this
Oh,
one?
boy.